Today I'm doing a full makeover of this video rig that I set up. You see it's pretty janky, pretty crazy, but thanks to SmallRig, they sent me a bunch of equipment. After I checked out their website, I had a few goals in mind. One is to be able to change out the camera without having a dedicated cage on each camera. If I need to use the Nikon Z5, I can switch it out for the M6 Mark II, which is my primary camera, but I also have the A6000 now, so that could be an option potentially in the future. They have a VersaFrame, which is pretty much the main components that is going to make this all possible. That also gives me a lot of mounting points for the Atomos Ninja V on one side and then this microphone. But with that, they wanted me to talk about their new HawkLock quick release system. I'm going to have it for the camera itself and the arm sections. Two of the interesting components for this setup are related to HDMI. When you've got the Atomos Ninja V, it has a standard HDMI port, but cameras tend to have the smaller versions. So with the M6 Mark II, it has the micro HDMI port, and the Nikon Z5 has the mini HDMI port. And with SmallRig, they include some adapters that I can attach to the VersaFrame and then have a standard HDMI cable go from the Atomos Ninja V to those adapters. In addition to all the SmallRig components, I picked up two black surge protectors, so that should make it look a little nicer. And the benefit here is that they have USB, so I can potentially power some of the devices. This microphone is powered by USB. I actually replaced the battery with an adapter type thing. Here is the completed rig, at least for now, thanks to SmallRig. I think there's going to be a few little things that I will change out, like the types of cables that I'm using. Camera goes here in the middle. I have the Atomos Ninja V on the side with the HawkLock quick release. Comes off very easily. Of course, you have to disconnect the cables. Same thing for the microphone. It's got the HawkLock on there for quick removal. For example, Z5 has one of the quick release HawkLock connectors. It goes in there. Take the mini HDMI, and I've got a primary audio that goes through the camera. So that's basically it. Also the USB, and it's working. I can adjust it in this direction if I need to, change this up a little bit in the future, but so far it works well, and this connector is strong enough. I'll put in the M6 Mark II, lock it into place, microphone, power, and the HDMI, which is actually, this is another thing I'll probably change, is get a longer HDMI cable. Now we are good to go with this camera. Versatility improvements, it looks better. In general, it's more black, not as much of crazy colors and stuff. Yeah, thanks to SmallRig for sending me all this equipment to improve my video rig. Much appreciated. Scott from Bonsai, thanks. If you want to check any of it out, I will have links in the description, of course. See ya.